Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, aligned with Learning Outcome LO1, Understand Digital Technologies in Health and Social Care, we will explore the role that digital technologies play in modern care settings. We will look at the systems and tools that support care delivery, improve efficiency, and enhance the overall experience for both professionals and service users. This session will also consider the benefits these technologies offer, the challenges they present, and the ways in which they can be managed effectively to ensure safe and high-quality care. Digital technologies in health and social care refer to tools using digital information for better service delivery. These include electronic health records and telemedicine. Mobile health apps and wearable devices are also part of this landscape. Health information systems and AI-based tools play a crucial role. Together, they enhance efficiency and quality of care. Rogers' diffusion of innovations theory explains technology adoption in health settings. It involves stages like knowledge and persuasion. 5 adopter categories help in strategy design. The technology acceptance model focuses on perceived usefulness. Both frameworks guide understanding digital tool adoption. Electronic health records are digital versions of paper charts. Telemedicine uses tech for remote clinical care. Mobile health apps support health management on devices. Wearable devices track health metrics continuously. AI tools analyze data for diagnostics and treatment. Digital tools improve patient outcomes with timely information. They increase efficiency by automating tasks. Access to care is enhanced through telemedicine. Wearable devices enable continuous monitoring. These technologies support personalized treatment plans. Data security and privacy are major concerns with digital health. Compliance with regulations like GDPR is vital. The digital divide could widen health inequalities. Implementing new tech requires investment and training. Addressing these challenges is crucial for success. EHRs, telemedicine, and mobile health apps are crucial technologies. Health information sharing enhances coordination. AI supports diagnostics and treatment. Population health data systems inform public health. Communication tools facilitate remote collaboration. Person-centered care focuses on individual health needs. Interoperability ensures seamless data exchange. Data integration supports informed decisions. Telemedicine increases access to care. Evidence-based practice relies on the latest research. Scalability allows digital solutions to meet growing demands. Accessibility ensures usability for diverse populations. Regulatory compliance protects patient data. Usability promotes adoption and effective use. Emerging technologies drive innovation in care. Planning involves identifying needs and setting goals. System selection ensures compatibility and usability. Infrastructure preparation includes hardware and network setup. Training builds user proficiency and reduces resistance. These steps are critical for successful implementation. System deployment involves installation and configuration. Pilot testing evaluates performance in a controlled setting. Full-scale implementation makes the system operational. Monitoring ensures optimal performance. These steps facilitate a smooth transition. Continuous monitoring keeps the system effective. Regular updates improve functionality and security. User feedback guides system improvements. Maintenance ensures long-term success. These activities are vital for system longevity. Technology improves access to care, especially in remote areas. Efficiency is increased through automation. Communication among providers and patients is enhanced. Data-driven decisions lead to better outcomes. Remote monitoring supports proactive care. Less human contact might reduce patient satisfaction. Data security concerns require robust measures. Monitoring systems may miss significant changes. Balancing technology with human interaction is essential. Addressing these drawbacks is crucial for success. Technology enhances communication and engagement. Personalized health management is supported by data tracking. Accessibility and convenience are increased through telehealth. Continuous monitoring provides real-time health insights. Coordination of care is improved with shared records. Digital tools provide access to educational resources. Patients learn about diseases and treatments. Interactive platforms aid understanding of health conditions. Education empowers informed decision-making. Knowledgeable patients engage better in their care. Digitization raises concerns about data breaches. Compliance with data protection regulations is crucial. Robust cybersecurity measures protect patient information. Ensuring privacy builds trust in digital health. Addressing security concerns is essential for adoption. Not all patients have equal access to digital tools. Socioeconomic status affects technology adoption. Age and digital literacy impact usage. Efforts must ensure technology does not widen inequalities. Bridging the digital divide is necessary for equity. Technology can reduce face-to-face interactions. Human empathy remains crucial in healthcare. Personalized care requires balancing tech with human touch. Technology should complement, not replace, human interaction. Ensuring this balance enhances patient satisfaction. Emerging technologies continue to transform healthcare. AI and machine learning drive innovation. Blockchain enhances data security. Future advancements promise more personalized care. The digital health landscape is ever evolving. Overall, the discussion highlights that the progression of digital health is ongoing. As technologies continue to evolve, so too do the opportunities to improve patient care, enhance system efficiency, and support more personalized approaches to health management. The journey towards fully integrated digital health systems remains a dynamic process shaped by innovation, policy, and the changing needs of populations. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp us at 0748-436-1688. Our team will be delighted to assist you. Thank you for your attention and see you at the next session.